Hello friends, thank you so much for last video response. It was really encouraging for me to continue this interview series. So today we are going to discuss about another interview question set. Okay, so now if you guys are observing one thing in interview pattern nowadays in the IT industry, okay, and one thing is easily noticeable, that is now most of the companies are focusing on the practical things rather than theoretical thing. Okay, so and if you guys are attending any interview recently, you might face the same. So here I am again bring some questions, okay, for you guys which may ask in interview or online screening test. Okay, why I'm saying online screening test? Because due to COVID-19 pandemic, lots of companies are preferable for now online screening test rather than face-to-face interview. Now, if you can clear the online screening test, then you will get a chance to online interview. Okay, so if you are Java expert, okay, who are watching these channels or the job seeker, okay, please guys test your knowledge with this question. Okay, so let's begin. So this is the first question. Okay, so guys tell me what will be the output of this program. Okay, so just focus on the logic. Okay, if true, break. So any guesses here? Okay, is break statement allowed here? Okay, think over it. Okay, so what will be the output of this program? Is it true? Is it no output? Is it error? Or there is no error and no output? That means since we are not printing anything here, so no output but a blank screen, right? Like this. Okay, any guesses? Right? Okay, so I'll tell you. Break statement. The break statement can only be used with loop or switch. So using break with if, okay, using break with if statement causes an break outside switch or loop error. Okay, since break is used with only looping statement or switch statement, and if it is not, if is not switch or loop. Okay, this is the reason if is not allowed here, and it will give compile time error to us. Okay, I hope you guys have got this. Okay, right, so this is the answer and with respect to the reason. So let's come to question number 2. Okay, so here it is, question number 2, guys. This is really interesting. Okay, these programs look like simple. Okay, but when you execute, okay, when you execute it on machine, the result, okay, it will be really surprising for you. Okay, so now think over it. What will be the output of this program, guys? Okay, please guess. Okay, will it give error? The variable is not allowed, is it? Or 5? Okay, what will the output of this program? Okay, so now hold your breath here. Okay, the output is 5. Why 5? Okay, in interview room, if we can say some answer to interviewer, we should have solid proof, or we should have solid knowledge about it. So if I can say it's a 5, I should have the knowledge about it. Why 5? Okay, because if you can think, okay, if you can see at this program, okay, int dollar underscore, okay, it look like dollar will cause an error, okay, but it won't. Why? Because in Java, okay, what identifier rule says, okay, in engineering, in science syllabus, this is first chapter, Java identifier rules. what Java identifier rule says. It says identifier can start with any alphabet or underscore or dollar, right? So we can start a variable name it dollar as well. So output is 5. Okay, so this is the answer. Just try this program at your machine, guys. Okay, just note down all the programs and try it out. Okay, so answer is 5, and we have mentioned the reason also why it is 5. Okay, so this programs is look like very simple, but guys, it's a tricky one. Okay, so let's move to our third question. So here it is, the third question. Okay, here what we did, we have declared one array. Okay, and we can see like we have assigned 1 2 3 4 5 to the array. Okay, and we simply print array. Okay, so any guesses here, what will be the output? Okay, so before giving any question, any answer to respective question, okay, we need to observe, we need to closely observe the program or a problem statement. We should not miss anything there. Okay, lots of time we think it's very easy, it look like easy, I know that, but if we think it's very easy and in hurry, okay, we give the wrong answer. So in this question also, might you guess the wrong answers, right? So let's check what will be the output of this program. Is it 1 2 3 4 5? Okay, is it none of these, or is it error? Hmm? So the answer is it will give us hexadecimal numbers as a output. So why hexadecimal numbers? Why not 1 2 3 4 5? Why not? Okay, because the reason is, okay, in the above program we are using declaration here, we are using creation here, we are using initialization here. Okay, we are using declaration, creation, initialization in a single statement, but while printing we are printing the base address which I just passed the ARR. Okay, so it will give the base address of that array, not a full array. And to display full array we need a loop to be used, and we have not mentioned any loop here, right? So it will give the base array, and base array in a form of hexadecimal numbers, not garbage. Okay, we need to make sure it. Okay, just try this program, guys. Okay, I hope you understand and you have clear, okay, clear doubts. Okay, so let's move to our fourth program, guys. Okay, this is the answer and this is the reason. So fourth program is, okay, so now in this question we again initialize the array. So this question it depends on third question. Okay, now in this question we again initialize the array. Here we apply a loop which was missed in previous question, right? We have applied a loop also we are printing the array here. So now can you guys guess the output? Okay, this is the same question on pattern of previous one. Okay, in interview, or we can say the interview drive like, if you can give the answer of any question, any program, what interview add something into that program or modify something into that program. Okay, I'm trying to confuse you. So here case is the same. So please guys, can you please guess the output? Okay, is it 1 2 3 4 5? What will be the output of this program? Is it 1 2 3 4 5? Is it error, or is it none of these, or anything else? Okay, it's very simple but tricky one, right? So in Java, at a time of declaration, okay, we cannot specify the size, right? And if we can observe in this program, int array1 of 5, here we have specified the size, right? So in Java, at a time of declaration, we cannot specify the size, otherwise you will get compile time error. So here we have applied the loop, but we have specified the size, so it will give error to us. And to correct this program, okay, if we can remove the size and keep it blank, then it will work. It will print 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I hope uh, your doubts has been clear from this question. Okay, so this is the answer and this is the reason. So guys, let's move to our fifth question and final question. Okay, so our fifth question is, okay, we have two main methods here. Okay, the first main method we have mentioned as one print statement, and second main method we have print the second statement. Okay, so I think from this program, if you're observing this, okay, I think you already come to know that what I'm talking about. Yes, it's about method overloading. Okay, lots of time in telephonic interview, in a face-to-face interview, this question asked. Even I face this question. Okay, so in interview, okay, in interview we need to tackle such a kind of situation. Okay, so here there are two main methods, okay, with different argument. So we are trying to achieve the method overloading, so same method having different argument, like, so here having we have same name as a main method but having different argument. First of all, is it possible? Okay, is it possible, can we overload the main method? If yes, now tell me the output. Is it I am in main 1 or something error, or it will print the second statement that I am in main 2? Hmm? So can we overload the main method? And if we are able to overload the main method, what will be the output? Right? So without wasting any time, I'll tell you what happened here. Okay. So the output is I am in main 1. Why? Why so? Why this output come? Okay. So we can overload the main method. Yes, we can overload the main method, but JVM, Java Virtual Machine, okay, will always call main method which has string array argument. And if you observe these two methods, the first method having string array argument, okay, this is known to JVM, right? That is the reason the output will be I am in main 1. Okay, so this is the answer and with respect to the reason. Okay, so that's it from today's session, guys. I hope you have learned simple things, but it's a tricky one. So thank you so much, thank you so much for your support. Keep the same. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.